Hello everyone, today we will discuss the nervous system MCQs. Let's start with the first question. Which part of the neuron is responsible for receiving signals from other neurons? Correct answer is B. Dendrites. Dendrites receive incoming signals from other neurons and transmit them toward the cell body. Next question. The central nervous system CNS consists of which two main structures? Correct answer is A. Brain and spinal cord. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord responsible for processing and integrating information. Next question. Which neurotransmitter is primarily associated with the parasympathetic nervous system? Correct answer is B. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine ACH is the main neurotransmitter for the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting rest and digestion. Next question. Which lobe of the brain is responsible for decision making and problem solving? Correct answer is C. Frontal. The frontal lobe controls higher cognitive functions like decision making, problem solving, and voluntary movements. Next question. Damage to Broca's area of the brain affects. Correct answer is C. Speech production. Broca's area, located in the frontal lobe, is responsible for speech production. Next question. The autonomic nervous system ANS controls. Correct answer is C. Involuntary bodily functions. The ANS regulates involuntary functions like heart rate, digestion, and respiration. Next question. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature, hunger, and thirst? Correct answer is B. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus maintains homeostasis by regulating body temperature, hunger, and thirst. Next question. What is the function of Schwann cells in the peripheral nervous system? Correct answer is C. From the myelin sheath, Schwann cells produce myelin in the peripheral nervous system, aiding in faster nerve signal transmission. Next question. The fight or flight response is activated by which nervous system division? Correct answer is B. Sympathetic. The sympathetic nervous system activates the body's fight or flight response during stress. Next question. What is the primary function of the myelin sheath? Correct answer is B. Speeds up nerve impulse conduction. The myelin sheath insulates axons, allowing faster transmission of electrical signals along neurons. Next question. The corpus callosum connects which parts of the brain? Correct answer is B. Left and right cerebral hemispheres. The corpus callosum is a bundle of nerves fibers that facilitates communication between the brain's hemispheres. Next question. What is the main neurotransmitter involved in Parkinson's disease? Correct answer is B. Dopamine. Parkinson's disease is caused by dopamine deficiency due to degeneration of the substantia nigra. Next question. Which type of neuron carries impulses from the central nervous system to muscles? Correct answer is B. Motor neurons. Motor neurons transmit signals from the CNS to muscles for movement. Next question. The myelin gas consists of which three layers? Correct answer is A. Pi matter, dura matter, arachnoid matter. The myelin gas protect the brain and spinal cord with three layers: dura matter outer, arachnoid matter middle, and pia matter inner. Next question. A patient has difficulty swallowing due to a cranial nerve injury. Which nerve is likely affected? Correct answer is A. Vagus nerve CNX. The vagus nerve controls swallowing, speech, and autonomic functions in the thoracic and abdominal organs. Next question. What is the function of cerebrospinal fluid CSF? Correct answer is B. Removes wastes and cushions the CNS. CSF protects the brain and spinal cord, removes metabolic waste, and provides nutrients. Next question. Which part of the brain is affected in Alzheimer's disease? Correct answer is B. Hippocampus. The hippocampus is crucial for memory formation and is one of the first regions affected in Alzheimer's disease. Next question. What is the primary function of the occipital lobe? Correct answer is B. Visual processing. The occipital lobe interprets visual information received from the eyes. Next question. A patient experiencing sudden severe headaches and a stiff neck may have. Correct answer is B. Magnetitis. Magnetitis is inflammation of the meningeal gas, often causing headaches, neck stiffness, and fever. Next question. Which division of the autonomic nervous system increases heart rate and blood pressure? Correct answer is C. Sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system activates the fight or flight response, increasing heart rate and blood pressure. Next question. Which neurotransmitter is most associated with mood regulation? Correct answer is C. Serotonin. Serotonin plays a key role in mood regulation, sleep, and appetite. Next question. A stroke affecting the left hemisphere of the brain often results in. Correct answer is A. Right-sided weakness. The left hemisphere controls the right side of the body. A stroke in this area can cause right-sided paralysis or weakness. Next question. Which of the following is a characteristic sign of Bell's palsy? Correct answer is A. Unilateral facial paralysis. Bell's palsy is caused by inflammation of the facial nerve, leading to sudden temporary facial paralysis on one side. Next question. The Glasgow Coma Scale GCS assesses which three components? Correct answer is B. Eye response, verbal response, motor response. The GCS is used to assess the level of consciousness in patients with brain injuries. Next question. A positive Babinski reflex in an adult indicates. Correct answer is C. Upper motor neuron lesion. A positive Babinski reflex toys fanning out when the soul is stroked. In adults suggests a central nervous system disorder. Next question. Which condition is associated with demyelination of neurons in the CNS? Correct answer is B. Multiple sclerosis MS. MS is an autoimmune disease causing demyelination in the control nervous system, leading to impaired nerve conduction. Next question. What is the function of the reticular activating system RAS? Correct answer is A. Regulates sleep-wake cycles. The RAS in the brainstem maintains consciousness and alertness. Next question. Which neurotransmitter is primarily inhibitory in the CNS? Correct answer is C. GABA. Gamma antibutyric acid. GABA is the main inhibitory neurotransmitter, reducing neuronal excitability. Next question. A patient with difficulty understanding spoken language likely has damage to. Correct answer is B. Wernicke's area. Wernicke's area in the temporal lobe is responsible for language comprehension. Next question. Which condition is characterized by sudden severe headaches and a thunderclap onset? Correct answer is B. Subarachnoid hemorrhage. A subarachnoid hemorrhage often presents with a sudden severe headache due to bleeding around the brain.